So guys, it's really simple. Bring your video to the timeline, then the shape, scale down and position the shape properly where you want, or we can make our own shape by using the pen tool. It's totally up to you. Reduce the shape layer opacity to like 70%. Then select the original footage, position it properly, make a keyframe, because when the video runs, sometimes it goes outside our shape, as you can see at this moment. So we can position it as we like. When you are satisfied with the result, go to effect or click on this arrow, then select effect from here, then search for track matte, TRACK track, MATTE, track matte key. Left click, drag and drop over the video. Then go to effect control. So here we have our track matte effect. Now if we check our timeline, our shape layer is on video layer 2. Now go back to track matte key, click on this drop down and select video 2. But it's not working properly, so what's our solution? Right click on the video, nest the video. Now select the nested layer, apply track matte key over it, effect control, track matte, drop down, video 2. Done. So guys, it's really that simple. But if we change our shape layer from layer 2 to layer 3, the effect is gone. Now select the layer again, sequence layer, change it to video 3. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.